Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the angel creature from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a curve up and back down like this. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with a large oval on the top right. And then one slightly lower on the left side. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw another oval on the outside. And then inside these, let's draw another oval with a smaller circle next to it. And then add a curve at the bottom. And then color the rest of the pupils in black. And lastly, for each of the eyes, let's draw a curve down, like this. Now top in between, and let's draw the nose by drawing two teardrop shapes going downwards. And color these in black as well. And that's it for the eyes and nose. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. In the center, let's draw a curve going up. And then from both ends, let's curve it up and out like this. And then curve it down towards the center. Now let's hop inside the mouth and let's add the teeth. Let's draw V-shaped points down at the top, and then a few more on each side, getting smaller. And the same thing coming up from the bottom. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move out and let's finish drawing the bottom shape of the head. From the sides, let's curve it in slightly. And then bring it down to a point for the chin. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the body. Underneath the head on both sides, let's draw a curve out and bring it down. Then curve it in underneath. And a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and add some details. Let's draw a wavy line across at the top. Then two curves down on the left and on the right. A curve up in the center. And then a number 6 shape for the belly button. And that's it for the torso. Next, let's move out and let's draw the arms. On the top, let's draw a curve out and angle it down. And the same thing underneath. Now for the hands, we'll start from the inside line and let's draw a curve for the thumbs. And then a curve going down for the next finger. Now hop up from the bottom and let's draw a curve out and up. And then 2 more fingers to close off the hand. Now top underneath and let's draw the legs. Draw 2 angles down on the left and on the right. And then let's draw a curve up and back down for the feet. And close off the bottom of each one with a curve across. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the wings. Let's start on top of each shoulder and let's draw a curve up and curve it out. Now from the ends, let's curve it back in. Then let's add another bump going out, one curving it down, and then one more on each side. Now let's add the eyes on each of the wings. Let's start with a large circle in the center. And then another circle inside. Now let's add another eye on top in the same way. And then 2 underneath. And then color all of the pupils of the eyes in black. And that's it for the angel. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!